In this video, I'm going to show you how to set and release the parking brake on a 2021 Chrysler Voyager. Pretty simple process once you know what you're doing. This has the new type of electronic parking brake. There's no foot pedal for it. What you're going to do to set the parking brake, it's this little button here with the P. I'm just going to push on the black portion of it. You'll hear a little noise, and then you'll notice that this lights up red, as well as on the dash right up here, it's going to say brake. That's going to tell you that the parking brake is set. To turn off the parking brake, you're going to push on the brake pedal down here. At the same time that you push in again on the parking brake, you'll feel a little bit of pressure on your foot, maybe hear a little bit of noise, and then now you'll notice that the brake light is now turned off. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.